Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, big news: flood warning are in place in Kent and Sussex after heavy rain overnight. The Environment Agency has advised people to stay away from swollen rivers. Prairie Meadow shopping centre in Hastings has been closed due to flooding, which has also affected some homes in the area. East Sussex Fire and Rescue Service said Hastings Council tweeted that several roads in and around the town were closed because of flooding. So all the latest breaking news, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.